This is how to make money online with zero skills. You probably know someone who makes money online. Maybe you're jealous because you want to make money too. But you feel like you're stuck because you don't have any skills. Well, here's the good news. You don't need any skills to get started making money online. In fact, there are 5 easy things you can start doing today to make money online. And guess what? You can do all of them without any experience. Want to know what they are? Here's a quick breakdown. No. 1. Background removal. Simply remove the background from photos. People are willing to pay anywhere from $5 to $20 for the service on Fiverr. Now. 2. Social media templates. Create social media posts and charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per post. Now. 3. Proofreading. Use AI to proofread documents and charge $10 to $50 per job. No. 4. Subtitles and captions. Add subtitles and captions to videos and charge $5 to $15 per video. And number 5. Voiceovers. Use AI to create voiceovers and charge $20 or more per gig. So those are 5 easy ways to make money online without any skills. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, subscribe to my channel.